What's going on, everyone? I'm Jason for WTI. Have you ever seen a boat anchor like this? This is a sand spike from Better Boat. Let me show you some of the awesome features that I really like about this anchor. This spike anchor is perfect for the shallow water areas that I like to fish in. There's a lot of sandbars on top of oyster beds, making the sand really hard to push into. But with the built-in slide hammer, it's a piece of cake for this sand spike. I really like the large attachment point that they provided on the anchor spike. It makes tying your rope to the anchor super easy. I also feel that the low position of the anchor point also adds to the strength and holding power of the anchor. It comes with a nice little storage bag and takes up very little room on the boat. Alright, so there you have it. I really love this sand spike anchor. It's easy to use, easy to store. So if you're looking for something like this, I highly recommend this one by Better Boat. And that is my point of view.